So today I wanted to share my NEWKITCHEN grill brush with you. And basically we have a pad brush that is bristle free. So that way it is the safest brush type on the market. Now NEWKITCHEN provided this to me as a free sample so I could demo it. And I gotta tell you, so far so good. When I received the brush, it came in 2 pieces and I simply put it together and push this pin in here to hold it. And then the pad pops in and out with these tabs right here, just like that. So you get it in there. It's a little dirty, so I don't want to touch it, but it goes right in, and then you've got your scraper with your notches on both sides. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I've preheated my smoker, and it's been a little while since my last cook, and I did not clean it afterwards because I meant to do this video right away, but we had bad weather and lighting. So let's go ahead and open that up. Now I'm at about 363 right now, and I like to be up in 400 range when I normally use this, but we're gonna go ahead and move forward anyway. And this water is about lukewarm or a little past that. If you wanna see it really like burst up in steam, then use cold water. Let's see if the close-up cams are gonna work today. And it is just tearing off stuff just instantly. Look at that. Now, if you get something that's caked on, you can go ahead and use the scraper on the back side. But as you can see here, the pad brush got almost everything off. There's just a little bit right there. And something that I like to do, as long as you don't touch the brush itself on there, is take the pad and go between the bars, and you'll get a really nice clean there. And especially right over top of that center bar there. Now I'll go ahead and do this again and do the bottom. I usually only cook in the middle shelf, so anything that's on the bottom was just drippings anyway. Now you can see how good that works. I'm really happy with this, and I think if you get one, you'll be happy too.